am I the only one who forgets to just listen to nature sometimes? These sounds can help you feel calm in seconds. Let's try them out together. First up, rainfall. The soft patter of rain helps reduce anxiety and brings your mind to a gentle focus. Just imagine raindrops tapping on leaves and windows. Next, listen to the ocean waves. The steady flow and rhythm of waves can slow your breathing and relax your brain. It's like your own peaceful beach moment wherever you are. And finally, forest birds. The cheerful song of birds boosts your mood and helps clear away mental fatigue. It's nature's way of saying everything's okay. Which sound relaxes you the most? Follow Nature Special for more peaceful moments like these. Take a deep breath and enjoy the calm.